Welcome to Darkwood. Let's get into it. This enables additional cool but immersion breaking content. Let's turn that off. I want to be fully immersed. The ultimate thrill, death is permanent on Nightmare. We're gonna go with normal, because I've heard this game is brutal. Oh, let's get into it. I saw Edge play a little bit of this. I'm so excited. You're playing a challenging and unforgiving game. You will not be led by the hand. Respect the woods. Be patient. Focus. No. Have you seen me focus in games? It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna run all nilly-willy until I get lost in the woods. I see hatred and fear in their eyes. As if I was responsible for spreading the disease. As if I were the source of all the misery plaguing this land. I have nowhere to hide from them, nowhere to run. The woods have closed us off from the outside world. Logging company. This is why we're starting it here. We are all doomed. Aw, yeah. Alright. Cool. Oh, that's super fluid. Oh, we walk slow, don't we? Alcohol distiller. Yeah, homemade device for producing moonshine. Yes. I know these notes by heart. I don't want to read them now. Okay, but I want to read them. Are you kidding me? What are my buttons here? Tab. Inventory. Okay. Get some pills. Is there like a quick? Yeah, just control. Nice notepad. Barricaded window? Let's not open the barricaded window yet. Yo. Generator is almost out of juice. I need to find a gasoline can. I saw a tractor broken tractor to the east. Maybe I could find some gasoline there. First, let's explore here. Shall we? A cage. Nice. Okay. Cages, this time they're empty. Oh, there's something moving in here. Hello? Oh, sometimes we're not allowed to go in there. The lock has jammed a long time ago. Never mind. I used to keep useless junk in there anyways. Okay. Rather not open it. I spent too much time to lock him in there. Okay. Yeah, so bad thing in there. Understood. You can only select to interact with objects within your reach. The interaction range is indicated by the color-changing cursor. Okay. Yo. I've just woken up? Yeah, but you woke up in there. Radio. The radio has been silent for years, although sometimes I think I can hear voices through the static. Ooh, they might not be good voices, though. Okay. Medical notes. Okay, well, again. Yo, heck yes. Moonshine. Should we be grabbing all this stuff? I feel like we should. Okay, so shift-click to open everything. I'll open the front door to my house with this. Sounds good. And my medical book. Okay. Bunch of stuff I can't read. That's cool, right? Ooh, you can, like, drag it around. That's kind of neat. So these must be, like, indications of, like, people getting infected, maybe? Ooh. Let's not do that. Ooh, there's, like, physics to moving around, too. That's kind of cool. All right, let's go in this back room here. Best not enter this room right now. Okay, but why not? Okay, so we have a map. Your position on the map is not marked. When you discover a new location, it will be added to your map. The location you are currently is indicated in red. In order to not get lost, you need to learn how to determine your position relative to the discovered locations and landmarks. Okay. So yeah, so my guess is that's all crossed off, so no going south, but we can go east, which is where the broken down tractor is. Okay, cool. Let's do it. We have shoes. Nothing in the shoes. Oh, that's cool. So it tells you whether or not it's searched. Dismantling this now would be suicide. Locked, I think let's keep my wardrobe. Curse's plus icon next to it. Oh, okay. Whoops. Oh, we can barricade other things. Here's a table. My tools, they haven't been sterilized for years. The local patients can't be helped anyways. I wonder if he was a doctor. It's kind of what it sounds like. How many people call him patients? Plus, you got a ton of medical stuff near him. Yo. Oh, puppy. Used to be a luxury, but since all access to the roads have been devoured by the trees, it became a useless pile of trash. People's Tribune. Okay. That's all Polish. I can't read it. I hope there's not like a weight limit, because we're kind of just grabbing everything at this point. Is that a gun? No, that's a destroyed well. Let's get a rope. Nice. Oh, it's almost like it doesn't want us to go in there. Oh, yo, you can like see through cracks in the windows. That's kind of cool. I like that. Space to vault over things. Okay, so we're going to have to do that there then. I don't want to go see the dead dog. Oh, okay, it's a wooden doll. Understood. There's like a hole there. I was hoping I could like look in that room and see what I could find. My dog, I don't think he's going to make it. I should end his suffering. How do we do that? No weapon or anything like that? Oh, that's sad. We have to kill a dog? Did we miss a gun? There's no plus on any of these. Oh, we have potatoes. I still have some left. Okay, well, I guess we don't have potatoes. Okay, well, let's come back then. We don't have any sort of weapon. Imagine finding a gun in this game. Well, it's like the intro zone, okay? Take a plank and smack it. Can I use a plank? You might be right. Okay, well, we can't do anything with the dog, so... Ah. Well. We might be able to now. Yeah, let's go and do it. Poor thing. But if it's already gonna die, I mean, it's clearly already in pain. We're not allowed to hit the dog. Really? Yeah, how do I kill dog? My man is slow vaulting over things too. I'm feeling this game is gonna have a lot to do with like panicking. Right mouse button to take aim. Oh, okay, so I can't just... Okay, so I was putting it down. I see. Okay, let's go take care of the dog. Now that I know how to swing. Yeah, poor thing. Yeah. I bet this is like I Am Legend levels type stuff too, so that's probably the only friend he's had for a long time. If it's so dangerous though, why did he leave it tied up outside? I don't get that. Unless it got bit or something, maybe. I don't know if the disease spreads to animals. These trees are growing too fast, so I won't be able to cut them down fast enough. A dead cow. A bear trap. Okay. Dude, this game is so weird. I'm super into it, though. Path. Okay. Oh, okay. So it does give you an outline, at least where you are. My guess is there's just points where maybe you have a big area. I guess we'll just keep moving here. The wizard devoured all the roads that connected us to the outside world. No one is able to pass through this thicket. A lot of crows. I don't know if that's a good sign. Location, falling tree. Okay. There's like nothing really around here to search for. Parts of the woods are dark. I should craft a torch. Oh, yo, there's crafting. Oh, yo, there is. Oh, that requires gas. It's a good thing I picked all that stuff up, huh? Ooh. This is fancy. God, this must be super dark, considering this is the only amount of light you get. There's an abandoned house. Okay. Can we, like, break it? No, we can't. Okay, well, let's go inside the abandoned house then, shall we? What is all of this stuff on the ground? Can we not even go in that way? Might not be able to even go in that way. Oh, you can. Okay, cool. Well, there's a chair. Bread. A bottle. And some more rags. Okay, that's fine. This is a tiny house. Who's living in here? Yeah, I don't know how long these torches last, my guy. Ooh, what is that? In a few days, it will be completely absorbed. Oh, yo. It's like a... Yo, what is that about, huh? It's like a human body in there, too. Clothes? Well, we're good on rags, so we don't need to worry about that. A lot of rags, dude. Dude, I love the atmosphere of this game already. Obviously, like, nothing has happened yet, but it sets a really, really depressing atmosphere. Okay, cool. Back to the axe. Back to the axe. Hello there, sir. I think this one's still breathing. Oh, yo, it darkens when I move in, too, to, like, focus on stuff. Big metal key. If there's an exit out of these woods, this key will surely open it. 21. He's unconscious. I've never seen him around before. He's only carrying a key and some journal. Oh, he took him back. Since he managed to sneak in here, he must know how to get out. Of course, he won't help me voluntarily. But that can be changed. Is of no importance. So he kinda... We're kinda a little messed up here. I need to get out of this accursed forest. You hear me, rat? He's like torturing me. Show me how. I will let you out. Or let you go. Or we're torturing him, my bad. I sometimes hear her voice. She's calling me. Calling me to return home. Where's the exit? Where? Show me where. Oh. Why? My question is, why? How? I'll kill you like a dog if I have to. Why? Why wouldn't... Okay, so my question is, why wouldn't he tell us voluntarily? Ooh, that sounded like it hurt. I stole my key. Oh, dude. Oh, now we're the other guy? Oh. Smeller, maybe the pantry. Locked. I could open it. Yeah, but we don't want to go in there. There were things in there. I'm hurt. I could use these rags to craft some bandages to heal myself. Oh, we probably craft a wire, too. Oh, what? We got some good torches. Oh, no, wait. They're red because we can't craft them. Never mind. Usable heals wounds, stops bleeding. Okay. We're going to need a lockpick, too, I'm guessing. So how do we use this? Do you just have to hit one on it? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's a slow heal, too. Holy cow, that's a slow heal. That's good to know for later. This barricade is too strong to dismantle. We did the old switcheroo. Now we're the guy. We don't want to go in here, though. Oh, there's a thing down here, isn't there? Oh, never mind. Shovel and a flashlight. Ooh, okay. Let me guess it has batteries, though. That's what the red... Oh, does the weapon have things, too, on it? Okay. So now we should be able to dismantle this, right? Yeah. Dude. I love how you can, like, feel the power in this thing. No longer usable? How do I repair it? Oh, hello. Oh, dude. Yeah, we know that's locked. Oh, there's a padlock. Okay. Who's there? Nobody. A syringe. Please let me out. Radio. Okay, so this is all stuff we found. Did we make our game harder by looting all of this stuff with the other guy? I bet we did. Are you kidding me? Hello? Who's in... Not my house. Wasn't there a way to get in here? Yeah, thought so. So with leather belts strapped on. A generator. Oh, I don't know if I want to turn the generator on, though. Ooh, takes time to search items. I like that. Gasoline. And table leg. So this can be used as a weapon. So we're going to need that. Okay, so we can repair it on a workbench is what it's telling us. Refill a generator, equip the gasoline tank, hover your cursor over the generator. Oh, we have to equip it. It's going to take a minute to get used to some of the things that we have to do in this. How much do we fill it up? Tank is empty. Okay, I guess we'll just... Okay. All right, let's take this thing out. Oh, what? We did not see this before. The corpse has 2 dials instead of eyes. His mouth is wide open. I can hear a distorted voice barely distinguishable from the radio static. Whoa, what? I'm pretty sure we did not see that when we walked in here. Sorry, man. I can't do anything to help. 4892. Okay. 489. Ooh, here we go. Door seems stuck. I need to apply some force to it. Yeah, but how? There we go. Help me. Come closer. I don't want to go closer. Are you kidding me? Why can I not see in there? Ah, yeah, that's what I thought. Ow. Okay, that guy hurts. No. Man, these guys are kind of like beefy, huh? A plastic chick. So that's how you fight. I guess that explains quite a bit. How do you want to get out now? Think you can manage all by yourself? Hear it? I do. Oh, whoa. Oh, God. Whoa, hello. Okay, well. Okay. That dude flew out of nowhere, didn't he? Alrighty then. I'm not allowed to move that fast. It's not fair. They can't outrun me. It's not fair at all. I have no idea what is happening. Chapter 1. Boom, baby. Let's get into it. Get a little stretch in there, you know, just kind of get it. I've got a new chair coming in. Oh, are we the same guy? No, we're a different guy, aren't we? Are we? I don't know. Pleasant warmth is emanating from the oven. I can sense a strange yet familiar scent. It gives the smell of protective substance, which gives me relative safety after dark. The vapors rising from this huge cauldron are distributed all over the house via long pipes. As long as I remain inside my house, I have a chance of surviving the night. Okay, so we're burning some weird stuff in there. Let's look at the weird bottle. The label on the bottle says, staying out of reach for the protective substance after nightfall results in immediate death in 99 out of 100 cases. It is advised to evenly spread the gas inside the sleeping area. Warning. Even a properly prepared substance does not guarantee 100% safety. Remain vigilant. It is recommended to stay in well-lit indoor areas in order to minimize the risk. Okay? When I arrived here a couple days ago, the oven was basically prepared. I just needed to light it up to ensure my safety at night. This cottage must have been one of our hideouts. The inhabitants of these woods don't need to inhale this revolting gas. I'm gonna look inside the pot. Small, empty cast iron pot. I haven't used it yet. I haven't felt any hunger or thirst since the accident a few days ago. I can't stop thinking about one thing. These mushrooms, these red pulsating mushrooms, they look so tasty. Maybe this pot will prove useful after all. We'll cook a little bit. Okay, or not. I don't know what this is. All right, maybe we won't cook for now. Hello? Somebody else in my house? Photo of a road. The road home. Yo, I've used this picture in my videos before. I didn't know that was from this game. Oh, it might not be, though, to be fair. Might be something else. Yesterday, I barricaded one of the windows. I want to stay here for some time. I should do that with the same with the other windows. Okay, so we're going to need stuff to barricade things. A chain trap, antidote, board with nails. I wouldn't mind getting one of those. Bandage with alcohol. Inventory upgrades. Ooh. 6 planks, and I can upgrade the workbench, too. Although I probably don't want to do that right now. Okay, so I can drag things. That's nice. That's fancy. I have something in here. It sounds like I'm not alone in here. Bear trap under the window is still open. Looks like the night was exceptionally uneventful. Well, that sounds like a good thing. Rope, alcohol, mushroom book. Okay. Title reads the use of mushrooms in the household. Can I open it? I cannot. So this is my window. This is my bed. Welcome to my first home intro chat. I know a lot of people have been asking me how my house looks. This is it. Let me give you a tour. So this is my bedroom. I have a nice window. I have 2 of them, actually. I have some nice looking chains that I like to just use as decoration on the ground. Yeah, well, they're not chains. They're tubes that go to my oven. That way when I'm cooking, I can make sure everything is heard or smelt, you know, just to keep safety in here. This is my bear trap. I keep this at the window just in case of home break-ins. I'm sure you guys are all very well familiar with that thing. This is my kitchen. There's an oven. I don't really store food, so a refrigerator is a thing where I'm like, I don't really need that. I'm more like a use whatever I cook kind of guy. I don't know what that is outside pulsating. That's my backyard, though. I like to keep things out there. This is my wardrobe. I don't keep clothes in here. It's just kind of there. It makes it feel more homely for people. This is the root system currently growing inside of my living room. Kind of helps add depth. It gives some texture to the room. You know how like you'll get like just a hardwood floor, but then you put like a rug on top of it to make it look kind of nice and more homely. I do that, but I do it with tree limbs. I just let them grow inside. The idea came to me when I kept on cutting them down and they kept on regrowing into the room. And so after I got tired of it, and so I just let them keep on going in. This is my stool. This is where I sit when I'm streaming and editing videos. I do it all from my phone. This is all a mobile system. This is all a mobile setup. So currently I'm staying somewhere else, but this is my actual home. This is my workbench. This is where I like to make things. So, you know, we'll make some boards with some nails later and we'll really kind of make the place a little bit more homey as it goes on. So this is my hole in my back room. This is where I like to go outside and harvest the pulsating mushrooms. It's what I like to do. And so, yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm a fan of it. And then this right here, this is where the magic happens. This is my streamer room. This is Jeff. He gets up sometimes after dark. We don't have to worry about him too much. He just kind of chills out most of the time. Jeff he'll be there until nightfall. And then we're going to turn that off. He'll be here until nightfall, so turn on the generator before dark. Hiding in the shadows won't do any good. They're coming either way. So I have visitors at night. They like to arrive. You know, they kind of just, they get involved, you know. They're pretty nice, though. Put some essence in there, I guess. I don't know what that even does. Oh, it probably puts gas in the air. I probably should have waited until the middle of the night to do that. This is my well. This is where my water comes from. Convert wood logs to planks. So this is the beginning of the sawmill operation that I was talking about. This is where we're advancing. This is my container. I've forgotten the code, So we're not going to use that right now. I'll remember it at some point. We don't usually like to go in there very often. But that's my basement. So this is the other entrance to my basement. But I've blocked that off due to some of the issues we were having. I'm out of wood logs, which is weird because there's wood logs standing there. Where do I go? Underground entrance? Dry Meadow Hideout. I'm here. Okay, well, I don't know what this is. Dry Meadow, Silent Forest, Old Woods. Okay, well, let's just hang out in the Dry Meadow for now. I think this is a good starting place, right? Go hang out in some bushes, I guess. Hey. Okay. Okay, don't worry. I'm gonna go this way then. You seem like a bad dog. Don't come over here. I'm unarmed, but I will strike you. I can't swing. So, what am I doing here is the question. Oh, look, a house. Or no, wheelbarrow. Oh, yo, check this out. This is my, these are where my crops are. This is where I harvest my crops for the winter. There's something making noise over there. Yo, this is kind of janky. Am I not allowed to have, like, a weapon? Should I be going through here? I feel like I should be doing something else. Hello? I don't think I'm alone in here. I'm gonna leave. I don't think I should be in there. I think I heard footsteps in there. Oh, it's another dog. Dude, can I get, like, a plank, please? Like, anything would be awesome. Where am I even going? Oh, look, a bunny! Hey, bunny. This might surprise you guys, but I'm already lost. Should I? He looks like he's having a fun day. Okay, goodbye. This is my shrine. As you can see, I have the cross of Jesus right there. So this is where I like to pray that one day I can leave the forest. I have nothing. Why does he keep following me? Bro, you need to leave me alone. Yo, I don't think I went down this far. Oh my god, I'm already lost. Ow! Oh, I stepped on poisonous mushrooms. I was trying to pick them. Mother of God, I'm poisoned already. I haven't even been attacked yet, and I'm taking damage. I found a brook. Okay, so I'm directly north. I thought I was a little bit too far up. The fact I haven't seen literally anything is disconcerting. Can I not get these? Dang it, there's a dog down there. Oh yeah, I can leap over these things. That's cool, right? Oh, there's a lot of dogs that way. I feel like those dogs are gonna attack us because they were kind of barking at us very aggressively in the beginning. Dude, am I missing something in here? What am I supposed to be doing? I feel like I have missed some things, and I need to craft something, but I don't know where to find any of it. I've searched everything, so maybe I am just going crazy. Get some of that delicious essence. I don't even know what that does. Can I dismantle the wooden stool? I'm not really editing right now, so I can... Yeah, let's make a bandage. That's fine. Yes. Ooh, and a bandage with alcohol. Let's go ahead and do that. Really set us up for good here. I need 2 planks. What is making that squishy noise? I also need planks for wells. How... I need wood logs for planks. And I need to get in here. Dang it. Let's go east, I guess. I don't know, man. Don't go east too far. Well, I guess we'll go south then. So we have a brook up there. I guess we'll go to the underground entrance. I didn't want to go in there. It didn't seem like a good idea, but now it feels like it is a good idea. So I have no idea what I'm supposed to do, but that was something that was already marked on my map. So I say we go. Why can I not befriend dogs to use as my faithful companions? Well, this is all new. I think I went too far. Hey, baby, underground entrance. Yeah. No, I was in the right spot. Where's... Oh. Hey, puppy. Get out of my yard. Guys. This is my yard. Oh, my gosh. Can't even go into my underground entrance. I feel like I'm missing something. Yo, what is this? This must be like this right here. All right, well, this has been a lot of running around and finding nothing. I feel like I'm an idiot, and I just don't know where I'm going. Which I guess, you know, what's new, right? Ooh, a bear trap. Hello. Let me take this. It's mine now. Scrap metal? No, I wanted to keep the bear trap. Why did you dismantle it? I wanted to, like, pick it up. That's a shame. Ow. Should have looked. Oh, I saw it last second. Yo, this place sucks. Why are there so many poisonous mushrooms everywhere? And why can't I get all of them? What is this? Dang it. I've done nothing today. Okay, well, that's a bad idea. Wish if I had a weapon, I'd try to fight them, but I don't, so I won't. You know? It's kind of like a... Can I do anything with scrap metal? Maybe I can turn metal into something and then can do something with that metal, you know? Give me... Oh, I can. Okay, I can make a chain trap. That's kind of lame. All right, well, we didn't accomplish anything. Am I feel like I'm missing something. Where are all of my logs? Okay, well, never mind. I was going to say you could give me something, but then you didn't. Is it just me, or is it getting kind of dark out? Can I get some rocks? Give me some rocks. Oh, I can go through here. Okay. Okay. Okay, we can't hit anything with that. Ooh, hello. Okay, we have to go back home. I didn't really want to, but when the guy starts saying that we need to go home, we start going home. You can't vault that, really, my guy? Well, it is getting dark, isn't it? Well, glad that we did almost nothing this entire night. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna move this in the way, right? Because that's like a thing that you do for survival. Do we turn the thing on? Know what I mean? You know what we could do? Check this out. Check this out. Yo, check this out, brother. Check this out, brother. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, we can hit control and dodge. I don't know. I really wish we would have gotten a weapon. I don't know what exactly is going on. But it is very dark in here. Do we, like, hide? Like, what do we do? Just in case. Put this right there. We do have a medium caliber magazine. It's too bad we couldn't go any further in there. Ooh. I heard something that way. Oh. I don't know if I should do anything or if I should just chill out in a corner. You guys hear the footsteps? A little bit spoopy. There's something in our yard. We're not alone anymore. There's something right outside. What is that? What is that? I'm sorry. I almost feel like we don't need to stand still. But another part of me says going anywhere would be a bad option right now. Dude, the ambiance in this is ridiculous. It's so dark. You know what we should have done? we should have turned on our generator that they told us to turn on when night shows up. I bet that would have been a really good idea. That would have been a really, really neat idea. That would have been neat. How long does night last? Do we go to bed? No. Didn't we close this? No. Don't do that. Was that me? What was that? I heard another footstep in the house. Hopefully your tracking is bad, so you'll run into the bear trap before you jump me. I don't know what we're supposed to do. I don't know what we were supposed to find. Like, is that just planned to have your first night be like that? Just out exploring, bunch of dogs everywhere, no weapon. I don't know, man. Seems a little bit janky, but whatever. We have survived the first night. Day 2. Very nice. Beautiful even.